So it only got 3 steps. It don't get no simpler than that. If I f this up, I don't deserve to be a wife. I don't deserve to be a wife. We gonna see. What's poppin', people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V Nezzy in the building, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my no bake classic cheesecake. You know, I'm adding a little spin of my own to it, so I personalized my own no bake classic cheesecake. So I'm gonna show you guys how I made that. Yeah, so if you're interested in this video, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so just to get started, just a couple of tools that we need. You're gonna need some measuring cups. So I have a measuring cup here, and then I have these little measuring spoons. So I got a half a cup and 1 teaspoon to measure out some things. I have something to melt my sugar and butter in, so I have this little cup here, a bowl to stir everything up in, and then I have my cup that goes to my Ninja because I'm going to be using that to process my secret ingredient. Also, you're going to need something to put the cheesecake in, so I have this little tin can that I showed you guys in my previous video. I got this from Ross, so something to put it in as well. So we're going to go by the ingredients that are here on the box, so just to show you guys really quickly. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to start on the base of my cheesecake, which is the crust. So here's the crust mix, and I'm going to show you guys my secret recipe. Are you guys ready? You're ready. So this is what I include with the mince. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's really good. I would recommend everybody try it. So I'm basically going to take a half cup of this and mix it with the crust mix that they provide in the box. So this came with the box, and then I just had some Cinnamon Toast Crunch on deck. So I'm going to blend the two together to make it as my cheesecake base. It doesn't mess up anything as far as blending this with the actual mix. As far as my knowledge, I haven't had any problem with the bottom crumbling or any of that. So yeah, I'm going to continue on with the video and show you guys how I make my little mixture. Alright, you guys, so this is the outcome of my cheesecake here. So we still have to put it in the refrigerator. On the boxes recommend that you put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Yeah, it says at least an hour. But I usually leave mine, honestly, whenever I make cheesecake, I always forget about it. So I usually leave it in there for a couple of hours. But give it about a good hour before you decided to cut it so that the base is solid or whatever. So I use this brand of the Jello No Bake Classic Cheesecake. And I added Cinnamon Toast Crunch to it. So I put Cinnamon Toast Crunch in the base and I blended up a little bit of it and shimmered some on top. Usually I do half and half. I put some on top and then I leave the other half solid because this is a lot of sugar. To me it is. Like, I don't eat a lot of sweets at all. I naturally don't eat a lot of sweets. So to a regular person, this is fine. All my friends and my family say this is not sweet at all, but I don't eat a lot of sweets. So to me, this is sweet. So I just want to show you guys this. And I'm going to place it in the refrigerator. So with me cleaning out my refrigerator the other day, if you guys haven't seen my vlog, check out my last vlog. I cleaned out my refrigerator. So now I have a nice little spot right here. So come on, babe. And she's gonna go right there. Aww. So I'll come back to you guys once it's done. Oh my gosh, you guys, my battery is dying. So I just want to hop on here really quickly and say thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try to taste the cheesecake if I have enough of battery life left on this camera. I don't know where the rest of my batteries are. So I have to clean up today, so I have to find my batteries. But for any reason that my camera cuts off, really quickly, just again, this is the brand that I use, which is the Jello No Bake Classic Cheesecake. And as far as what I added to the recipe, I added my Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So yeah, I hope you guys try it. Let me know if you guys try it, or what recommendations do you all recommend as far as cheesecake. If you ever made your own cheesecake at home, what have you used, or like what's your recipe, sis? Tell me your recipe. Drop it down in the comments below. What should I try to make it at home? Because I go to the Cheesecake Factory a lot. I love cheesecake, so I eat a lot of cheesecake on the regular. But let me know your favorite recipes in the comments below. And oh, let me go, my battery. My batteries. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.